Wow, it's grown up a lot more. The gutters are all falling off. Trees are falling down. Wow. Wow. Hey everybody. Found an amazing farmhouse. Beautiful piece of land. Gorgeous house. Look at this place. French doors there. Here, where you come in. More French doors over here. And that big, beautiful porch you just saw. Big pillars on the beautiful wrought iron rails when you come up the steps. This house is buried. It's almost impossible to see. Wow. The porch is falling apart. Holy cow. The doors. Somebody broke the doors. How sad. This is definitely falling apart. Oh, can you believe this? Somebody came in and just trashed it. How sad. How sad. Unbelievable. I don't know why people got to do that. Here's where the French door was right here. It's all broken out. These doors. I don't remember if they were on there already. I'll show you some comparisons. These windows are broken out here. What a shame. It's only been like, what, 8 or 10 months since I was here last. You can really hear the difference. It's a snowy, windy, cold day. Seemed like there was something else here. It's just an update on the farmhouse. Grandma's slipper left behind. How sad. It's Grandma's slipper. Remember that, guys? If you haven't seen it, it's called the Forgotten Farm. I'll put it in the description and a link to it. If not, it's in the Abandoned series. Like, I'm gonna put this one as probably call it update or return to the Forgotten Farm. Looks like they've trashed. More of the ceiling has fallen in. Oh, they busted this wall out. Big Or the big head will get you. Okay, so let's get you. So, just gonna do this real quick, guys, because it's just falling apart. You see the river out there. The river's pretty high too, compared to the summer, that's for sure. I don't even think I'm gonna go over there. Just wanted to give you a comparison. It's just falling apart so fast. And it sure doesn't help when people trash it. Come on, guys. Why do people have to trash things? It is cold. Okay, let's see if I can get down these stairs without them falling apart. Remember, I took a Instagram picture of this shot. All right, guys, I gotta get out of here. It looks like they just tore these up because I don't think this porch was that bad. Gotta be careful. There was all the vines growing over some kind of bucket or something that was here, remember? And they kicked it off down there. Part of the roofing's falling off. Yeah. This was really a beautiful place. Thanks for coming along with me. MaxproductionsTV. Bye, guys.